How to make another account in Roblox on the same device and log into both of these accounts at the same time. First, you'll need to open up your browser and head to roblox.com and make sure you're signed in. Now you want to click on the settings icon and click on settings. So first you'll need to make sure that your account has an email address and it is verified, and make sure also you remember the password for the account so you can log in. Now we will need to click on the settings icon again and sign out or log out of this account. Now you will need to click on sign up right here at the bottom to create a new account, and then you will need to fill out all of these informations, and then you will need to click on sign up button and just wait for it. Now once your account is created, you will need to head to roblox.com/download like this to download the client. Now you want to click on download Windows app and wait for it to download, and then simply run the installer if you don't have Roblox already installed. So I do have Roblox installed, so you will need to open up the Roblox application that you've downloaded from here. Now while the first Roblox client is being downloaded from their website, we can open up Microsoft Store and search for Roblox in here, and download and install Roblox from Microsoft Store as well. Click on Roblox and then click on Get, and just wait for it to download and install Roblox. Now once the installation is complete, we will need to open up the first Roblox player which we downloaded from the website, which is this one here, and sign into our first account. And then we will use the second Roblox client which was downloaded from Microsoft Store to sign into our second account that we just created. And as you can see right here, I have the first Roblox client running with my first account, and here the second Roblox client running with my second account that I just created. And that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.